உலகத்தோட முதல் ஸ்பிரிச்சுவல் ஏஐ நித்யானந்தரை கேளுங்கள். இதுதான் உலகத்தின் முதல் ஆன்மீக நுண்ணறிவு செயலி. வேர்ல்ட்ஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்பிரிச்சுவல் ஏஐ.
10 இன்ச்சு முறுக்கு மந்த்ரா கடலை எண்ணெயில நானே பண்ணுது. ஒரு சேலஞ்ச். உங்களால இந்த மாதிரி முறுக்கு செய்ய முடியுமா? மந்த்ரா கடலை எண்ணெயில முறுக்கு செஞ்சு பாருங்க. ஓகே.
Honorable Sri Tirichu Sivaji.
Thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir. Sir, I would like to raise a very crucial issue, sir. The highlight of staffing inefficiencies in the Yegalaiva model residential schools. For recently, the recruitment responsibilities have been centralized. Earlier, the responsibilities were with the state governments and no issue came up. Now it is entrusted with the National Education Society for tribal students. Maybe another NTA, which may cause something. Sir, the centralized aim to address, of course, actually the severe teacher shortage in EMRS, the schools, by hiring nationally for 38,000 positions across 400 schools. However, the standards, hiring criteria, particularly the mandatory Hindi compulsory requirement, competency requirement, have led to significant mismatches. So the first batch of 303 principals, 707 junior secretariat assistants, and other staff now primarily consists of individuals from North Indian states appointed across various South Indian states. This mismatch is especially detrimental in a sphere like education, where understanding the local culture, context, and language of those tribal students are not possible. And communication is not also effective, creating a conducive atmosphere to teach the students. This hampers teachers' ability to connect with the students as well to understand their unique challenges and address their educational needs efficiently. Sir, this has led to the decreased student engagement and lower academic performance. Moreover, the new staff members are burdened with the responsibility of learning the local language within 2 years. At present, no request for changes are also being considered. Sir, this rigid policy exacerbates the issue, leaving students in a disadvantaged position. Sir, I urge the government to give back the responsibilities to the respective state governments. Education is the concurrent list. That's the reason for these things. I also urge that education must be brought back to the states list, as well as the government should discontinue snatching away the rights of the state governments. Sir, the status quo must be maintained. The recruitment responsibilities must be entrusted to the respective states where these schools are. Then only the purpose of the tribal schools will be served. Otherwise, it will cause very big damage. Already the students are going out of the school. They are not coming to the school, sir. So this, again, I urge the government, take it very seriously, not very light. The states' rights should not be taken away. Usurping the rights should be stopped and give back the recruitment responsibilities to the state governments. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Honorable Tirichu Sivaji.